Hi, third graders, it's Mrs. Fernandi. We are going to finish up our review week. It's just going to be 2 videos this week and no spelling test, not until week 2 next week. All right, we're talking about vowels. So let's go ahead and share the rest of the PowerPoint I was working on. And we're talking about the short vowels. So we know that there are 5 main vowels in English, and we looked the other time at the 3 vowels A, E, and I. And we really are looking at the short vowels for now. When we indicate a short vowel, we put that little smiley face above, and that little smiley face is called a breve. And that tells us we want to say the short version of the vowel. So for example, the cat is at the chair. So at is our indicator word, at. And here we have the short E sound. The cat is on the edge of the chair. And the last one here is I. That's a short I sound. The cat is in the chair. Now, this time we're going to look at the last 2. The cat is on the chair. And the cat is under the chair. Look at those 2 cats. She looks like she's sunning herself under the chair. So that short U sound is for under. And that other cutie pie cat on the chair, for the short O sound. And I see that I forgot to put my little breve marks on top of those 2 vowels. I'll have to fix that. Okay, let's talk about our sight words. See if you can remember what our sight words is, because what our sight words are. This little cat with the hat and scarf is a little reminder for you. We have the word cold. Mom told us it was cold outside. Those words both end in O-L-D, and as do hold. Fold the paper and hold it up. So we can just put a different consonant, 4 different consonants in front of the word old, O-L-D, and make new words. Cold, told, fold, and hold. And that's how some of those sight words work. We find some rhyming words to go with it. Pull, we'll pull the wagon to the park. We've got the U-L-L, pull, P-U-L-L for pull, and full, F-U-L-L. The glass is half full. I'm going to stop sharing this and pull up my whiteboard. I would like very much for you to pull out your paper and be ready to write. And if you don't have a paper and maybe your writing notebook or a special spelling notebook ready, you can pause right here and go grab that, because you're going to need it. So we're going to start by doing some of the words with the short vowels that we talked about last time. And so what I'd like you to do is first write the word. We're going to do 6 words in a row. I'll say the word, you'll write it, we'll talk about it a little, and we'll make sure you spell it correctly. So the first word is fresh. Are those tomatoes fresh from your garden? Fresh, we hear the blend fur, so we know that's the FR. And then I hear the the short sound, like the cat is on the edge of the chair. So we know we've got the short E sound, and shh. We have the consonant digraph, SH at the end there, fresh. If we really draw that word out, fresh, we could hear all those parts to it, and that's what we want to do. Remember that we only have 1 vowel sound per syllable in English, right? Vowel sound. So the next word is which. Which, whether you say which or which, we do want to start with that consonant digraph. Do you remember what that one is? WH. Then we hear the short I sound, like the cat is in the chair. And we end with a second consonant digraph, ch. So go ahead and write that out. Ch, which, right? Okay, super. The third word is thick. We have a consonant digraph at the beginning and a consonant digraph at the end again. So we have thick coat of paint, TH. The short I sound is the short I. And then the k sound at the end of a 1-syllable word is going to be spelled CK. So that's another consonant digraph. The next word is check. It too has consonant digraph, short vowel, and another consonant digraph. See if you can spell it. Ch, k, ch. We hear the CH, those 2 consonants together making the ch sound. The short E sound, and k. Again, the CK at the end of a 1-syllable word, k is spelled CK, that consonant digraph. The next word is pass. Please pass me the potatoes. P-ass. I hear those 3 sounds, p-ass. Now, if you remember, I said if you just leave an S at the end, it looks like some kind of funny plural. And that's weird. So what do you think we need to add at the end there? I bet you got it. A double S, right? Pass. The last word for this part is shed. Shed. I hear consonant digraph. I hear like the cat is on the edge of the chair. And then you hear the d sound. See if you can spell it. Shed. Shed. Very nicely done. All right, let's do another one over here. Let's do a couple of our sight words now. So our first sight word is going to be the word cold. It was cold outside. C-O-L-D. Now here's the trick. There's a couple of things you want to do when you have a sight word. You want to write it. You want to say it. Sorry. Go ahead and read it. Cold. Then you want to spell it out loud. C-O-L-D. Then you want to cover it or close your eyes. Say it. Cold. Spell it. C-O-L-D. Open your eyes. Look at it again. Cold. Spell it. C-O-L-D. Make sure you did it correctly. The next word is hold. Similar spelling, right? Because we've got the O-L-D, that old at the end. Old. H-O-L-D. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to say the word again. Hold. Spell it. H-O-L-D. Open my eyes. See it again. Maybe this time I'm going to whisper it. Hold. H-O-L-D. Hold. I'm going to look and make sure I got it right. Our other two sight words are pull, which is P-U-L-L. Pull. Again, I'm going to close my eyes. Say the word pull. I'm going to whisper. Spell it. P-U-L-L. Open my eyes. I'll read the word, really looking at the word pull. P-U-L-L. And then I'm going to get to full. F-U-L-L, full. Close my eyes. Full. F-U-L-L, full. Open my eyes. Check that I spelled it correctly. One more time. Full. F-U-L-L. Make sure I did it correctly. So that's a trick I really want you to use. Even if these words are kind of easy for you, I think that long term, you'll really get something out of that, that strategy. Okay, that is kind of it for today. What I'd love for you to do is to go back and practice those words, write them down again, look at the list that you have for the week, and make sure, maybe give yourself a spelling test. Make sure that you know how to spell those words. Because remember, next week, when we finish our words, we are going to have a spelling test at the end of next week with our new words. So until then, take care and thanks for being with me. Bye-bye.